Hello class, this is Mrs. De Oliveira. Welcome to lesson 2 on this course on expressions and equations. This lesson deals with the solutions of equations and determining whether or not a number is a solution of an equation. So first, some definitions. Definition of an equation is a statement where two mathematical expressions are equal. Equation, equal. Makes sense. The solution of an equation is the value of a variable that makes an equation true. So all that means is they're going to ask you, does this number work? Does this value for this variable make this equation the same value on both sides? So let's take a look at some examples. So here we have the equation x plus 12 is equal to 29. And we would like to know if when x is equal to 7, this equation is true. So the first thing we do is replace the variable. We're going to change the x into the number 7 because that is the number that they give us in the problem. They're telling us that x is equal to 7. So that's the number that we replace with x. Second, we're going to evaluate to check if both sides are equal. So on the left-hand side of our equation, I have 7 plus 12. Well, 7 plus 12 is 19. On the right-hand side, it's just 29, so I just bring that down. And the third step is to check to see, is it a solution? So I look back and I think, all right, does 19 equal 29? No, it does not. They are not equal. So it means that x equals 7 is not a solution. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Let's take a look at another example. So here I have the equation n minus 13 is equal to 2. And we want to know if n is equal to 15, will this equation be true? Will I get the same number on both sides? So the first thing, we replace the variable. So the n in my equation is going to turn into the number 15. Second, we're going to evaluate to check to see if both sides are equal. Well, 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. And then on the right-hand side, I already had the number 2, so I just bring it down. Then I look at my new equation, and I check to see if it makes sense. Does 2 equal 2? Why, yes, it does. So that means that n equals 15 is a solution to this equation. Our third example. Here I have 1/2 c is equal to 14, and I want to know if c is equal to 28, will this equation be true? Just recall that 1/2 c means 1/2 times c. So first thing I need to do is I need to replace my variable. So the c is going to turn into the number 28. Then I'm going to evaluate. Well, 1/2 times 28 becomes 28 over 2. And then I can simplify that. I can divide, and I get 14 is equal to 14. So I have to ask myself, is that a solution? Does 14 equal to 14? Yes, it does. So that means that when c is equal to 28, it is a solution to the equation 1/2 c is equal to 14. That's all there is to determining if a value is a solution to an equation. You plug it in, you evaluate, and you see if both sides of the equation are the same as each other. That is it. Please make sure you do your assignment on the course site. Thank you so much.